go dumb, then go more dumb, then we could keep it lit, let's roll. I love it, I love it. Let's roll. I love it, I love it. Let's roll.
Good day, sir. I'm here to discuss some key points of the importance of the notice to mariners and its use in correcting nautical charts and publications. So, nautical charts, corrections, and updates and importance. The importance of mariners are given advance notice of urgent corrections via radio or broadcast. So, ang mga kuan nga updates sa atong mariners kay pwedeng gigawin siya advance para madali ang pag-usob sa atong mariners nga book or libro para dali ito siyang ma-update. Pwede ta magamit og kuan via radio or sa broadcast na to siya i-send para mas madaling madawat sa pikas ug mas kaybaw sila dali sa atong updates. So, NOAA's printing partner in the United States that publish POD or Printing on Demand, NOAA nautical charts which include the most recent corresponding and notification at the time of the printing of marine charts. So, kanidong NOAA or NOAA kay sila may the best sa pagkuan sa mga recent nga updates para sa atong mariners charts or sa atong title karon nga kuan nautical charts and publications. So importante ka na siya kay para mas madali ang update sa atong mga seaman or kinsa pa diya nga kinahanglan magamit ana kay gamit kaayo ang chart sa pagkuan nato sa barko. And that's also
our topic for today kay notice to mariners. The notice to mariners are crucial for maritime safety, providing essential updates and correction to nautical charts and publication. With over 90% of global trade transported by sea, prices and current maritime safety information is critical. Base sa gisuwat are kay ang notice to mariners kay importante sa mga maritime safety. Naghatag bugo ni og ganang update sa mga nautical chart o publication og nabay angay i-delete or i-update nimo. Og maoro to daghang salamat.
Marine insights whenever a new area is to be added to a chart or it has to represent an area different from the previous chart or the depth units shown on the previous charts to be changed. Nautical charts are need to be corrected. Ang marine insights ko na ako na maduga nga bagong lugar o nagpakita sa iglaing area nga lahira sa nihaging chart kay baguhon. Kaya nautical charts kinahanglang osbon ang mga sayop.
Notice to mariners are critical publication of the Office Marine Safety. Update and essential information for safe navigation at sea. This notice include correction of the to nautical chart, navigation warning and change to all to navigation. Ang pagsabot ani notice to mariners is importante kaayo nga publication kay tungod ani naghatag ni og update about sa panahon og mohatag sad ni sila og warning if naa sila ma-discover about sa pag-usab-usab sa panahon labi na sa dagat para luwas ang pagbiyahe for all your safety pod para ma-aware mong tanan og unsay dapat buhaton.
Good day everyone. Today, I'll be talking about digital and paper marine chart correction and
updates. When sailing, it's important to have to update chart and nautical publication. This is where notice to mariners come in. This notice help mariners update their chart by providing the latest correction and change. Hydrographic Office and commercial publisher regularly release these updates. By applying these corrections, sailors can ensure that navigation charts remain accurate and reliable. That's all for my report. Thank you for listening.